The seas are going to be rough, mateys.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out!
The stream be starting.
How's everyone doing today? Welcome to the live stream. Appreciate all of you guys on here. Thank you guys for being on here. And welcome. Welcome, guys. Let's have a great live stream again today, like yesterday. Right? Let me just set this up here for TikTok real quick. Let's get started. What's up, Frank B? How you doing, bro? How you doing, Frank? LFG to the moon. Yes. Yes. I'm gonna take a look at a lot of the coins here. And let's get it started, guys. Let's start right here. 3, 2, 1. We're about to be live here on TikTok. And here we are. We are live on TikTok as well, which is awesome. But let me know how you guys are doing today. Welcome to the live stream. There, it looks pretty good now. All right, awesome. How are you guys doing? What have you guys been up to? Just started the live stream a couple seconds ago. Appreciate everyone that's here already over on TikTok and YouTube. And we'll definitely check the markets here, right, on the daily, as Bitcoin is around 68,492. So Bitcoin, you know, it's just kind of flat. Hasn't really been doing anything significant. But what's going on, guys? Joshua said, yo, is Doge about to go crazy or what? LOL. Yeah, we'll talk about Dogecoin. I've been saying the same thing for Dogecoin for weeks and weeks now. And it's been, you know, playing out pretty well. Hey, what's up, Sadua? How you doing, bro? Sadua, I appreciate you being on YouTube and on TikTok, man. It really means a lot. Thank you, bro. Because I seen you on TikTok too. Lakeside said Cardano. Yeah, let's check out. I haven't checked out Cardano in probably like weeks. Brian says, hey bro, how are you doing? Where is the top for Pepe? Pepe's gonna be hard to find the top. You know why? Because this is Pepe's first bull market. But I'm gonna try to predict the top for Pepe. It's gonna be difficult because this is the first bull market. So Frank says it's all in the fibs. Monthly RSI looks bearish. Weekly gives me hope. Yeah, and we can look at the RSI, right? Matter of fact, let me put the RSI here. Sniper, it's not that one, this one. There we go. Yeah, well, I'm on the 2-week. Yeah, the monthly RSI is still very overbought, right? The stochastic RSI is extremely overbought. But the good thing is we're coming, usually when we're bullish, we come down here, we get a bounce, right? So we just don't go through that. So we might actually get a bounce with the stochastic RSI on the monthly, if you see that right there. Now we go on the weekly, right? Because you said on the weekly it's giving you hope. We are very oversold on the weekly, right? And we're looking to come back up here. So the weekly looks great. And look, Bitcoin, I don't know if you guys saw my video, but I said weeks ago, right, when Bitcoin was right here, I remember I have the video, and I said we were coming down here to the middle Keltner bar. And that's in fact what we did, and that was the bounce right there that we got on the middle Keltner bar here on the weekly. I don't know if you see that. Okay. That's some Super Trump, bro. Is that a coin? Can you please check out SI? Is that SI or SL? Thank you guys for the likes. Don't forget to like, guys. We got over 120 people. Insane. You guys are killing it tonight. Just don't forget to like. We got 101 likes. Gavin says SI. Hey, bro, what about CO Key? Any thoughts? I haven't checked out CO Key yet, but I'll check it out. Awareness says, I agree, fam. Good TA. Thank you, Awareness. Appreciate you. What's up, Matt? Wow, man, you guys are killing it on YouTube too. YouTube and TikTok. For some reason, ever since I went vertical on YouTube, it's been amazing. I've been getting so many. I think I got like 40 new subscribers in one day. I think it was yesterday. Like 30 or 40 new subscribers on YouTube. So you guys are amazing. Alright, let's check out SI for Gavin, and let's check out COQ. Comment below here on YouTube and also on TikTok what coins you guys want me to check out, and I'm gonna check them all out, guys. So yeah, let's check out SI. What is this, silver? Alright, let's check out COQ first. COQ, also known as Kaki Inu. Let's check it out here on KuCoin. This is like the main meme coin on Avalanche, so this is definitely a coin that I'm keeping my eyes on. I don't have any. I used to have a little bit of this coin, but I don't have any. And yeah, I mean, COQ, it's not looking bad, right? It's definitely not looking that bad. In fact, it's looking pretty good. The reason why is because I like buying coins when they do something like this, right? And what I mean by that is that after we have a big nosedive, it kind of stays flat here for a good amount of weeks, right? When it does something like this, this is where I like to buy. Okay, so I'm liking how COQ looks like, and eventually, if we're bullish here for COQ, it's gonna break out of this range and eventually go up and make higher highs. Okay, so that's what I see for Kakinu. But again, it's a very low cap meme coin. You got to do your own research, and not financial advice, of course. What's up, Doctor Lawyer? How you doing, bro? Thank you for coming to the live stream. Appreciate all of you guys on here. So we got Nebo says Shiba Inu Bonk. Ando, how's it looking? Nene says amazing. Thank you, bro. Anytime, Musa. Yeah, let's do Ando real quick, because Ando's pretty easy to do. Obviously Ando is literally at all-time highs this month. We hit all-time highs, and last week was when we hit all-time highs, and we have everything to break all-time highs even more here for Ando this week, right? As we can see, ever since Ando got launched, it's just been this uptrend, right? And what's amazing is this is gonna be Ando's first bull market. It's being pushed by Coinbase. You know, it's one of the leaders in the RWA sector. So Ando, in my opinion, is very, very bullish. It just, you can see how every time we dip, we get bought up aggressively, right? So Ando's looking bullish, right? And I remember talking about Ando back here when we were in this nice curved, right? This nice curved downtrend here. But we had this nice curve here to the upside, and that's usually what happens when you see a nice curved bottom. It's usually very bullish. So, wow, thank you, Patty. I just saw them right now. And PB Abin, thank you so much. Let's check out silver for PB, because he's been asking me for silver. But thank you so much for the fire. Thank you for the team bracelets. Thank you for the gifts, Patty. Really appreciate it. Let's see if we can find silver. The thing is, I couldn't find it because I have on here crypto only. But if I put, okay, silver, is this silver futures? I don't know if you can see it. Okay, I think it's just this one. Let me know if it's this one. Is this the right one? We're about to look at silver. This is gonna be my first. The first thing I look here that's not crypto, right? So let me know if this is the right one, or is it a different one here for silver? What's up, Lewis? What's up, Diamond? How you doing, bro? PB says Soba on So. Oh, okay, Soba. Oh, it is the right one. Okay. Yeah, we'll check out silver in a few. Okay, yeah, so silver. I mean, look, silver. Right? I mean, silver peaked here back in, what was it, 2011? Right? And it looks like, to be honest, it looks like silver is on its way to break those all-time highs from 2011. Right there. Okay? Lewis, you need to go in on Soba. I'll check out Soba. Don't worry, guys. I'll check out Soba. I'm just checking out silver here for PB. You also asked for silver. Yeah, I mean, look, silver. It's slowly going up here in this uptrend here, and eventually, I believe it's gonna break the 2011 all-time highs here for silver eventually. Okay. Especially with the devaluation of the dollar, we're gonna see a lot of commodities like silver and gold continue to rise, right? Especially when there's more conflict. The more conflict we have, the more fear, the more wars and all that. Silver is gonna go up, gold is gonna go up, Bitcoin's gonna go up, and it's all gonna go up against the dollar and many currencies, because that's what happens when you print a lot of money and when we have a lot of wars and fears. So Awareness says, I should have never bought cap at 49 cents, been holding for a year and a half and 90 cents. Oh, you meant XRP? Thank you, Patty. Thank you for the heart. I just saw it right now. Thank you so much. Let's check out Soba. You guys been asking for Soba. Can I find Soba here on TradingView? No. I have to go on Dex Tools, right? How do you find Soba? Is it on Dex Tools only? Let me know. Frank B says, Eve, LOL, it still hasn't broken previous highs. Yeah, Ethereum still has not broken all-time highs. Same as Solana. Solana was actually getting pretty close. What up, boys? We making it out the cave with this one. Guys, by the way, don't forget to join the free Discord. I pinned it right here on YouTube. And for you guys over on TikTok, you guys can join in the bio. Yes, Soba's on TradingView. Oh, it is. I can't find Soba. Look, I searched Soba here. Oh, I found it. I found it. Okay, is this it? Is this the right coin? Is that the right coin? Let me see if I can find it here on Dex Tools. Yeah, I think this is the right one here. Let's see if it's the same chart. If it's the same chart. Yeah, it looks like the same chart, right? Okay, yeah, it is this one. Okay. Yeah, we'll take a look at Soba. Since it's pretty new, I'm gonna have to go here on some shorter time periods. This is on the daily, right? We can see here ever since it got launched. We've been ranging here. But let's check out here on the 4-hour and the hourly as well. Yeah, I mean, we've been ranging here, right? Since May 24. So, the good news is that we are creating higher lows, right? And we're in a pendant, right? We're in an asymmetrical pendant here, and eventually it's gonna get to the point where we break out to the upside or to the downside. So, let's check it out. I want to check it out on the hourly, to be honest. Yeah. But yeah, I mean, this coin has just been ranging, right? It's kind of hard to do this one because it's just been ranging, and it's been in this asymmetrical pendant where usually asymmetrical pendants are neutral, right? It's kind of hard to tell where a coin that's in this asymmetrical pendant is gonna go. But again, it can break to the upside, bearish break to the downside. The good thing is that it's been creating higher lows, but at the same time it's been creating lower highs. So we need to break these previous highs to stay bullish. So got to be careful of coins like that, of course. Don't invest an amount you're willing to not lose, right? So yeah, Comment below anytime, PB, anytime. Thank you for coming to the live, bro. Appreciate you. Comment below what coins you guys want me to check out next, as Bitcoin is here around 68,697. And Frank says, I've been holding XRP for years. Wow, how many years have you been holding it? And let's do a daily recap here. Taylor says, Dogecoin chart looks insane. Really? What's going on with Doge? Shiba's up 10%. Did someone say Shiba yet? Shiba's up 10% on the day, which is great. You know, I knew sooner or later Shiba was going to start pumping with Pepe and, you know, Ethereum. What do you think would be the top for Pepe? Like I said, I'm gonna have for me to look at the top for Pepe, I'm gonna have to sit down and really analyze it, because this is Pepe's first bull market, so it's kind of harder to find the top for Pepe. But I'll probably make a video on it and I'll tag you. Prediction for Shiba in a year. Yeah, let's take a look at Shiba. Let's take a look at Shiba Inu, which is up 10%. One of the top gainers here on the daily. I told you guys, didn't I tell you guys? Shiba, this is the bottom right here for Shiba, that 0.5. If Bitcoin holds 61K, right, this is the Shiba bottomed out. And you had multiple weeks to buy it here, right? So it's starting to bounce here, starting to pivot off of that 0.5 key Fibonacci, which is, look how accurate we bottom on this. Look at this. Look at all those wicks right there. That's why I love Fibonacci. So you can see right here, Shiba. And look, I talked about this when Shiba was like right here, right? I said, look, we can start to pivot now for Shiba, and that's exactly what we've been doing. So, you know, I would say the next target for Shiba, obviously, Shiba's gonna have to break that previous high here at that 0.23. This is the main resistance target, because we wicked up here exactly and we got rejected perfectly. You see that wick all the way up there to that 0.23? That's like a look at that. Again, Fibonacci. Look, Shiba is respecting the Fibonacci levels very religiously. We get rejected right there at that 0.23, and then we bounce off of that 0.5. You see that? So, yeah. Appreciate you, bro. Anytime, Brian. Anytime, bro. But look, as for Shiba, you know, Shiba's a coin. Honestly, I'm going to take profits for Shiba. I'm going to take profits around here, right? When Shiba's around this price. 00019 to 00027. When Shiba's in this range, I'm going to take most of my profits and then probably hold maybe less than 20% if Shiba really does go to the 618, which would be 00054, which would be insane, right? I mean, that's basically, if I were to measure that from where Shiba is right now, that's basically a, you know, 94%. Wait, no, not really. That's going to be Shiba going up 1,831%, right, to the 618. Now, if it goes up here to the range here where I'm selling most of my, taking my profits, it's gonna go up 687, 650% from where it's at right now. So I feel like that one's way more realistic, and this is where I'll be taking most of my profits, right? For a lot of you guys, for a lot of people that say, why would you do that, right? I'll give you a perfect example right here for Shiba. If you get Shiba right here, you can see that it's topped out exactly. Look at that, exactly right there in that golden range right there. You see that? And by the way, you would have had this chart since the bottom right here. You could have had this chart right here. You would have been like, okay, let me take my profits up here, and guess what? That's where Shiba topped out in 2021. So this is why I take these fib levels seriously. But I mean, that's just a perfect example right there for Shiba Inu. So there you go. Check out some more coins. Frank says since 2021. I mean, that's not bad. I mean, I'm pretty sure there's people that's been holding XRP since 2017, right? How long do you think it could take to go to that level? At least by next year, Manifest Finance. I believe by next year, you guys need to be mostly out of the markets, okay? Fully out of the markets. At least sometime next year. You can start taking profits by the end of this year. But at least by sometime next year, quarter 1, quarter 2, I think the top is going to be, you know, basically in sometime. So I'm not going to be holding into 2026. I think 2026 is going to be a bear market year. So, you know, it's all about planning. But yeah, can you check out Super Trump? I got you. Let me see. What's Super Trump's tag here? Super Trump. I searched up Super Trump. I can't find it. What's its tag? What's the tag for Super Trump? Because I try to search it. 6 says Caspa. Let's do Caspa. Let's do Caspa real quick, and then we'll do a S Trump. Caspa, one of my favorite coins. This is a coin I'm so happy I accumulated on this dip, right? And I've been buying Caspa since 3 to 5 cents, but I bought even more recently when it came down here to around 10 cents. And Caspa again has one of the most bullish charts. I mean, you look at this chart. This is the chart that you want to see. The bad thing is that it's starting to curve, right? I don't like that it's starting to curve here. If it breaks, look, if Caspa breaks this support, it's not gonna look good, right? Because we can definitely dump down here and kind of like play around here. So if you're holding Caspa, you do not want it to lose that 9 cent support right there. Okay, so that's what I will be looking here for Caspa. But I mean, look, so far this is gonna be Caspa's first bull market. Ever since I got launched here, it's been amazing. It's a very decentralized coin, and honestly, it's worth spending the time to research Caspa, because in my opinion, out of all the altcoins out there, Caspa is probably the most similar to Bitcoin. And I know there's no coin that would come close to Bitcoin, but I think out of all the altcoins, Caspa's probably the most similar, because it's proof of work, right? It's proof of work. It's not heavy VC invested. It had a fair launch. Okay, so Caspa got a lot of good things going on for it. The only con with Caspa that everyone likes to talk about Caspa is the fact that it still doesn't have smart contracts or like any dApps, you know, stuff being developed on it yet. But the thing is, it's, you know, it's new, right? It just came out this bear market, and it's proof of work, and it's a new coin. And you look at Cardano, which has been very slow, right? It's a proof of stake, and it's been very slow, and Caspa's a proof of work. So I would be patient with Caspa. I think eventually it will have dApps and, you know, a lot of stuff being built on it. So I do like it fundamentally. In the charts, based on the charts, I'm very bullish on it as well. So there you go. Yeah, I need some help to create an ecosystem. But that's the thing, right? Since Caspa was a fair launch, since it's more decentralized, it's not gonna be as fast as having an ecosystem as something like Solana, right? So Caspa is, you just spelled it right, K-A-S-P-A. Please, Solana. Yeah, let's check out Solana. We'll do a update here on Solana. Don't forget to like, guys. We got 2,000 likes. And don't forget to join the free Discord and Telegram. Oh yeah, I got you, bro. Let's check out S Trump. I promised to check out S Trump here, so we'll check it out here before we check out Solana. Yeah. Let me see if I can find this coin, is this like a new coin? S Trump. Let me see if I can find one with more. Yeah, I mean, this looks like a new coin, right? MEXC. Yeah. All right, so here it is on MEXC. We can see right here that this is a pretty new coin. I'm on the daily, by the way. Each candle is a day. And yeah, like ever since it got launched, we had a big dump. But the good news is that, you know, the good thing is that, you know, after it got launched, it didn't keep dumping, right? It didn't keep dumping in the downtrend. It basically came back up, recovered, stabilized here, was ranging in this range, and then out of nowhere, it broke out to the upside. So that's a very good sign, right? That's a very healthy sign right here for this coin. I don't know anything about this coin. It's probably a meme coin. But it's definitely not dead, right? I mean, this is that, definitely doesn't look dead. It had that dump after the launch, which is normal, right? People take profits. But then it had the recovery. It ranged, and then it went higher. It went higher in price from where it got launched at. So that's pretty healthy. That's definitely very bullish. Recently here, the last 2 days, it's been obviously on the tear, pumping. So I can't tell you if it's going to keep pumping, because it can definitely have a downtrend here before it has another pump, right? So we can easily have a descending wedge, right? Watch out for a descending wedge, which is bullish, and then we can break out of that and have a second pump. So yeah. Hi, what's up, Summer? How you doing, Summer? Thanks for coming to the live stream. Always great to have you on here. Higgins says QNT Solana will flip ETH. Thanks, bro. Anytime, Gazi. Anytime. You think Solana will flip Ethereum? Let me know in the comments. Flux, please. Yeah, all right. Let's check. Yeah, let's check out Solana. We were checking out Solana, and then we'll check out the rest of the coins. Thank you. Wow. Thank you for the 25 flowers, Mr. Gazi. Thank you so much, bro. I really appreciate the flowers. Wow. Yeah, look. Solana. When you look at Solana's chart, it's one of the most bullish charts because it had one of the best recoveries. I mean, you know, Solana had one of the worst drops into the bear market. People thought it was going to die or was dead. But then again, it just flipped. It flipped like a switch, and we had one of the best recoveries, right? Higher lows, and then we had this parabolic surge here for Solana. So Solana had a really beautiful recovery, and so far it's still one of the most bullish coins here, even based on the charts. And we can see on this Bitcoin dump, Solana actually bounced off perfectly on that 0.23, which was around 112. You see that right there? And that's very bullish because look, a lot of altcoins on this Bitcoin dump, a lot of altcoins actually came down to the 0.5 or to the golden pocket, right? But Solana's different. Solana came down here and bounced off of that 0.23. And it's pretty close to break all-time highs, right? I would not be surprised if Solana broke all-time highs before Ethereum. So it's kind of a race, you know. Let me know, what do you guys think? Who do you think is going to break all-time highs first, Solana or Ethereum? To be honest, I mean, Ethereum has been on a tear with the ETF news and everything. So I wouldn't be surprised if Ethereum breaks all-time highs due to the ETF news. But again, Solana, don't underestimate Solana. Are you still bullish on QNT? Yeah, let's take a look at QNT. I still hold my QNT. I haven't sold any, but it's not one of the coins I've been accumulating. I just been holding the amount that I have. But let's check it out here on the charts, and I'll tell you if I'm bullish on it still. Let's take a look here. I'll give you my honest opinion on if I'm bullish on QNT. Let me see if there's a better chart. QNT here. Let's see. Is there a better chart? Okay, I guess I'm gonna have to go with the Kraken chart. Okay. So yeah, you know, QNT, we can see right here. QNT it's kind of neutral, right? It's not bullish or bearish at the moment. The good thing is that QNT has been holding, right, this level, right, which is, I mean, obviously it's very important. It's still in bear market territory from October 2023, right? So it's not very bullish at the moment. But if you think this is the bottom again here for QNT, if you think QNT is going to bounce off of this range here, which is literally a bear market territory from 2023, right, then I think it's an amazing times to buy. If you think this coin is going to go to $1,000, right? Because last bull market, the peak for QNT was 226, right? Well, I don't think this is the full chart. Yeah, I don't think. Let me see the full chart here for QNT. There's got to be a full chart. Maybe this one. Yeah, my bad. This is the better chart here on Binance. The all-time high for QNT was actually 417. So we can actually see right here, QNT, to be honest, the bear market low here was $40. Was around $40. So it's not near the bear market low, but it is technically here in the bear market low from 2023, right? So if you're bullish, if you're still bullish on QNT, right now is an amazing, under $100 is an amazing time to buy. But again, it's not the most bullish chart. And let me pull a Fibonacci here. I'm kind of curious. I never pulled a Fibonacci on QNT, but let's see how it looks. Let's see how it looks here. So we get the bear market low to the top. And to be honest, let's see. Yeah, that's more accurate because I don't like getting wicks, especially when it's like for one exchange, like, you know, Binance or Gate.io. So I mean, look, based on the Fibonacci, you can see we got a double top right here exactly on the 0.5. So that's very bearish, right? And then we come down and then we break that golden pocket. So, you know, it's definitely very bearish, but I'm still bullish on QNT, and I think right now I would probably buy, not financial advice, but I'm probably gonna buy, you know, just a little bit more, because we are at a critical range here, which I believe QNT will eventually bounce off of. Okay, and once we start to come back up here for QNT, that 0.5, the big resistance here is $144. After it breaks that, the next target is going to be 259, right? So after it breaks that, I see QNT moving fast up here to 259 at that 0.23. So yeah, and in terms of price predictions for QNT, where I would take profit is somewhere between that 0.27, so around 777 to $1,000. So like I said, $1,000 QNT, somewhere in this range, right? As soon as it breaks $700, that's where I'll probably look to take profits. So yeah, let's take a look at some more coins you guys got. Anytime, Higgins, anytime, bro. Hey, bro, I got a question. Do you think next bull market Pepe can flip SHIB, bro? Can Pepe flip SHIB? Let's check out here on the charts, on the market cap chart. Let's see the market cap here for Pepe and SHIB, right? So we got Pepe right here, number 19, with almost 7 billion, right? 7 billion market cap for Pepe. And then up here at number 10, we got SHIB with 16 billion. So yeah, I mean, look, it's not too far. Pepe's not too far from SHIB, right? I mean, obviously it needs 10 billion to basically get to where SHIB is, which is obviously a lot of money. But you know, if both do well, right? If Pepe and SHIB do well, I don't think Pepe will flip SHIB this bull market. The only way I see Pepe flipping SHIB is if Shiba Inu, you know, has a major issue, and actually comes down in value, right? And gets sold off, or maybe goes down into the top 40s somewhere, right? So it's only if SHIB has a problem and people sell it off. But if both perform decently well, I think both are just gonna go up. But I don't see Pepe flipping SHIB. So that's the only way. Can you check out ICP? Sir Gala. Yeah, we'll check out ICP and also Gala. Let's check out Gala here because I know Sadul's been asking for a bit. We'll check out Gala for him. See how Gala's been doing. So, I mean, yeah, look, let's straight off the bat, we can see Gala. Gala's been holding, right? Gala's bounced off that bear market resistance right there. And that's great. Look, I think right now is a good time to buy Gala. Because, not financial advice, of course, but I can see it, you know, flatten. I mean, it's already been, how much is that? 5 weeks, right? So it's already a pretty good amount of weeks here where Gala's just been flat in this range, ranging here. And eventually Gala's going to break out of this range, okay? It's been in this range here, which is literally this big resistance point here in the bear market before it broke it. So if you see Gala continue to range and hold this support, eventually it's going to break out of it and create a higher low from here, okay? And again, it could take a couple weeks, a month, but that's why this is what I see for Gala. Pretty bullish. I think right now is a great time to buy. Not financial advice, of course, but I definitely do like Gala here. So here you go. Anytime, Ren. Jarella says, would you ever buy a new meme coin if the tokenomics was right and had community behind it like Soba? Yeah, but the thing is, I wouldn't put in like a lot, right? Maximum, I mean, for me, maximum will be like $100, right? For some other people that got more money, they might do 1,000, right? But you know, for me, buying something like a new meme, especially a meme coin, even if it does have the tokenomics right and everything like that, maximum I would put in is like $150. So Dylan says, bought some GameStop puts today. Awesome. What made you buy those GameStop puts? Why do you think it's going down? Pack says, Storage. Did I check out ICP? Oh yeah, I still haven't checked out ICP. I was going to check it out here for him. So yeah, look, ICP. ICP is another coin that's been flattening out here. And guys, look, this is what you want to see. Look, you do not want to get greedy and you know, say, okay, I'm gonna buy it when it comes down here. I'm gonna buy it when it comes back down here. No, you don't want to be greedy like that, especially when you see here for multiple weeks a coin like ICP or other coins flatten out, right? If you see something like this, we might not come down here to $8, okay? We might not come down there. So you don't want to be greedy and not buy it all if you're bullish on it just because it's not $2 less than where it's at, right? So you gotta buy when it's creating a structure, when it's creating strength. If it's just this falling knife, then obviously no, right? Like for example, when ICP was, you know, coming down right here, it was in a falling knife, right? But now it's been starting to flatten out here, and you could wait 1 or 2 more weeks before you start to buy. But if it stays in this range, I would say it's a great time to buy it because most likely it's gonna bounce off of it eventually. So what's up, bro? Thoughts on AVAX? Yeah, my thoughts on AVAX. I love AVAX. I think it has everything to come into the top 100 if it really becomes the leader in the crypto gaming space, which I think it already is. So I think AVAX is an underrated layer 1, and it's definitely one of the coins I've been accumulating for sure. So I do like AVAX. Kunal says, you have any course for beginners? No, I don't have any courses. I don't know, like, who knows, maybe I might make one in the future, but probably not anytime soon, to be honest. The only thing that I sell are my indicators and charts, but my Discord is free. My Telegram is free, right? My community is free. There's no tiers or anything like that. The only thing I sell are my indicators and charts, which you can find on Patreon. And that's it. That's the only thing that I sell. And I'm always making new indicators, new charts to kind of give you a different perspective, you know, based on every chart I make. So, yeah. Pacna says, Storage, I got you with Storage. Anytime, Kunal. Anytime, bro. Look, for Storage, we're checking out Storage here, which I believe is a file storage coin, right? Okay, I'm gonna give you my honest opinion on Storage. Okay, let's actually pull a Fibonacci. Let's pull a Fibonacci here on Storage and see how it's doing. And wow, look at that. Yeah, look, Storage, you can see how Storage, look what Storage does, right? We get rejected here at that 0.38 perfectly. Come down, bounce off of the golden pocket. We're just ping-ponging between Fibonacci levels for Storage, right? Bounce off the golden pocket, get rejected at the 0.5. Then we come back here to the golden pocket and we're trying to hold it for its dear life. But I wouldn't be surprised if Storage loses this and creates a lower high, a lower low, right? Because it's been in this downtrend, and that's just the truth. It's been in this downtrend here. At some point it's gonna break through this and start to pivot and create a uptrend, but I don't think it's gonna be at any time soon. It might take still a couple weeks to a month plus, right? So I think right now technically is still a good time as we're in the golden pocket. If Storage can hold the golden pocket here for a couple more weeks to a month before all coins start to go off, then we'll probably see something like this, right? For Storage. But I would wait a couple more weeks, to be honest, right? Because like Storage can lose this and come down here. It can still do something like that. So this is definitely a coin I would be patient on and not buy right away. But the good news is that Storage did have a nice recovery from the bear market, right? So we have this bear market, this ugly downtrend here, but then we have a recovery. So that's the good news. This next phase, this is the phase where we come down to test bear market territory. Okay? I know this it looks crazy, but basically we have the recovery. Now we're having the retest. And you can see right here the golden pocket is exactly the bear market resistance. Right here, look how many times we get resisted right there during the bear market. So this is very normal. In fact, I would say right here, this could be the bottom right here for Storage. So, you know, eventually it'll bounce off of this exact range. So, just my opinion, guys. Not financial advice. Yeah. Bitcoin's still around 68,688. Take a look here on the weekly. Kind of curious. Jasmine's up 26%. But yeah. Melly says Polkadot. Yeah. Let's take a look at Polkadot. This is a coin I do have a little bit of. Not a ton. But I do have a little bit of polka dot. And we'll take a look here at polka dot here for Melly. Look, polka dot's all-time high from 2021 was $55, right? And recently, we can see here the good news here for polka dot is it did have that nice recovery. Because look, a lot of altcoins did not have a recovery. It's still very, very bearish. But polka dot, we have this nice recovery from the bear market. And now it's just in the second phase here, retesting the bear market resistance, which was right here. Right, we're just retesting, we're flipping that bear market resistance into bull market support. So it's completely normal with this dump here for polka dot, where if you look at this, it got rejected here nicely in the golden pocket. Not exactly in it, but I mean, we actually closed inside of it. We wicked above it, but we closed in the golden pocket around $10, but it went as high as $11. So yeah, and what's insane is it came down here to bottom on that 0.78. So this is why Fibonacci levels are amazing. Okay, so polka dot starting to find the bottom here at that 0.78. And I would say here the next target for polka dot long term is gonna be that 0.5 around $14. So eventually here polka dot's gonna start to pivot and move with the rest of the markets, and you know, do something like that before it really starts to take off here in this altcoin season. So I do like what polka dot's doing, as long, of course, as long as this holds this 0.78, which is around $6.50. So if it loses like $6 around there, then that's not a good sign, because if it does that, we're re-entering into bear market territory, and we do not want to be in here anymore. Okay, we want to flip that as support. So, and at the moment it's been holding, so I do like it. And again, guys, like, people will say like, why would you buy right now, right? Why, if I'm telling you, yeah, this is a good time to buy polka dot, people would say, why would you buy right now? I mean, it could go down further, right? But I'm telling you that's a good time to buy because it's been holding here for weeks. It's been holding the bear market resistance, right? And eventually it's starting to flip this as support, and it already dumped down already a lot. You see that? Since going up here to $11. So you don't want to buy at the top. You don't want to buy when there's a lot of hype, when there's a lot of euphoria. You want to buy when it's boring, when it, you know, people are fearful. So that's it. And thank you for the roses, Melly. Thank you so much. Hey, what's up, Rick? Thanks for coming to the live stream. Yuzine, thank you for the roses too. Yeah, I think it's a good hold, right? Of course, you gotta, you know, research fundamentally. Based on the charts, I think it's a good hold. But it's definitely worth researching polka dot fundamentally and, you know, what they're trying to do as a layer one. Would you consider Shiba Inu a buy? To be honest, yeah, I would. I mean, it's already up 10%. I've been you know, saying Shiba's a good buy for weeks now, and the reason why is because Shiba came down to that 0.5, but we can see right here Shiba already started to bounce off that 0.5. So buying right here at that 0.5 would have been a way better buy. But look, long term, I think Shiba can go way breaking its all-time highs. So I think it's a good buy for long term for sure. Rose, thank you so much. Wow, thank you for all the roses. I really appreciate it. We got a bouquet of roses. Thank you so much. Melly says, I've been holding Shiba forever. Really? When did you buy Shiba? Did you buy it last bull market or during this bear market? Thank you again, Melly. Thank you for the roses. You guys are so nice. Thank you guys so much for all the gifts. Phoenix says, good evening. Did you do Link yet? Not yet. I haven't checked out Chainlink yet. Oh, last? Oh, okay. Yeah, I've been holding Shiba since last bull market. Not the top of the bull market, but as we were going up. And I did take some profits as we were coming down. Like, I took some profits on Shiba, like, over here. Right? Before it collapsed. Right? Like, I didn't take profits at the top, right? I'm not perfect. I did not take profits at the peak. But I did take some right here. And I bought Shiba over here. So it was a profit. Obviously I would have preferred up here, but again, then what happened was I rebought during the entire bear market. It was accumulating more Shiba, right? This entire time right here, I was accumulating it, and we had this. The good thing for Shiba is that we had the recovery. Okay, that's if you're holding an altcoin right now. If it doesn't have a recovery right now at this point in the market, it's a bad sign, right? It's just the truth. It's a bad. For example, if Shiba was still like over here like this, right? I would tell you I'm bearish on Shiba. I'll tell you Shiba's looking very bad, but that's not the case because Shiba, instead of doing something like that, Shiba had something like this, right? And then recently, the last couple of months, it's been downtrending, which is completely normal. In fact, it's bullish because we're going to create a higher low to start the next uptrend to create higher highs. So that's why I'm very bullish on Shiba. But if it was something like that, then no, I'll be straight up with you guys and tell you I'm bearish on Shiba because of where the market is. You see what I'm saying? So that's why I'm saying if you're holding any altcoins, that recovery from the bear market ranges is a good sign. It's a green flag that your coin has a potential to do very well this bull market. So yeah, thank you for the roses pack. Wow, 19 roses. Wow, thank you so much, bro. Really appreciate it. I also took some and then bought back low. That's great. So you basically did what I did too. Would you consider Dodge the same? Yeah, let's take a look at I think you mean Doge, right? Let's take a look at Dogecoin. Yeah, look, Dogecoin, I really like Dogecoin. You know why? If you look at Dogecoin, what is it doing? Right. This is last pre-bull market for Dogecoin. You can see what did it do here last. By the way, this was when no one knew about Dogecoin. Like, this was when Dogecoin was not mainstream yet, when it was literally half a penny. Look at that. When Dogecoin was 0.003, half a penny. Okay, and look what it did. Right, it was basically in this asymmetrical pendant until eventually it just boom, skyrocketed, right? And when you compare it to last pre-bull market, it literally has the same structure. If you look at this, okay? Look at that, right? It literally has the same structure here for Dogecoin. So obviously it's not perfect here, but I'm just giving you guys here a, just a fast recap here. It literally has the same structure, and we start to see here that we're starting to break out of it, and we can start to do something like that. So this is why I'm very bullish on Dogecoin. It's following last pre-bull market very identical to it. So, and when we look here at the Fibonacci levels, it's also very bullish, right? Because Dogecoin has started to bounce off that golden pocket. That golden pocket for Dogecoin it's main strength and support. And you look, you had opportunities. I bought some here, Dogecoin around 14 cents. You had multiple opportunities here. You see all these wicks over here? These were all opportunities to buy here in the golden pocket. And look, the truth is, this might be the bottom right here for Dogecoin. If Bitcoin doesn't break 61, 60K, this might be it right here for Dogecoin, to where eventually in weeks and months can start to work its way back up here and start to go up. So I'm not trying to cause FOMO, of course, right? But I'm just being honest, right? I'm just telling you guys the truth. Honestly, to be honest, even if that is the bottom, I still think that under 19 cents, right? Even under 25 cents, Dogecoin, I still think it's a great deal to where it can potentially come up to. So that main resistance is 19 cents. But honestly, under 25 to 19 cents, I still think it's a great deal. And yeah, very bullish on it. That's where I bought. Oh, really? Look at that. So Melly also bought here in the golden pocket. Right here. Right. So congrats to everyone here that bought Dogecoin when it was literally around 13, even 12 cents. Right? 12, 13, 14 cents. You really bought the dip right there on Dogecoin. So congrats to everyone who did. Bonk is bonking. You bought 2,000. Wow, 208K Dogecoin. That's a lot. That's definitely way more than what I have for Dogecoin. But let's take a look. I'm kind of curious here. Let's take a look here at the top 200. This is the top 200 market cap here on the weekly. Obviously, we see Turbo up 518%. I missed out on Turbo. But it's up 518% on the weekly. It's hilarious to me how there's so many influencers out there that make fun of meme coins, right? And meme coins just continue to be the leader, or like the biggest gainers every single month after month. And it's hilarious because all these guys, right, there's so many like serious YouTubers out there just talking down on meme coins and just talking about their utility coin and then every single time just outperforms their meme coins by like 1,000%. I just find it hilarious. But again, 6 million SHIB. Wow, that's pretty good. Juju says Turbo made me 10K. Wow. Congrats, Juju. Congrats on making 10K with Turbo. That's awesome. Let us know more about Turbo. What chain is Turbo on? Is Turbo on Solana? Daddy says I'm at 68K Dogecoin. That's pretty good. To be honest, Daddy Don, I would say that's kind of near where I'm at. I'm not going to say exactly how much Dogecoin I have, but that's kind of around where I have too. So, but you have more than me for sure. But yeah, look at that. So on the daily, what coin is this, dog? Oh man, don't tell me there's another meme coin out there, guys. There's another new meme coin out there that's like with. This coin is called Dog. Dog go to the moon. Oh my gosh. And this one too, Mew. Man, what is going on with all these meme coins? Oh man. I mean, I can see why Trump is up. Has been up here 76% on the weekly. But I mean, look at this. We got so many meme coins here. Mog. We have Mog. We have Corgi AI. Right. Brett. It's just insane. We have ABT, which is more of a utility coin here, up 70% on the monthly. So yeah, that's the top 200. Let's go back here to the top 100. This is the top 100. And again, even in the top 100, meme coins are still leading the way, right? Meme coins are still the biggest gainers. Is Turbo over, or can it still run? I mean, look, I haven't looked at Turbo's chart, but when a coin is up 500%, most likely it's going to have a pullback, right? I'm not going to say it's over this bull market, but most likely Turbo, I mean, why would you want to buy Turbo when it's up 518%, right? It can definitely have a decent pullback. And then on the pullback, you can accumulate a little bit more, and it can keep running into the bull market in months from now. So Juju says, to be honest, my buddy told me to put $200 6 months ago. Wow. That was a great decision right there that you made. Well, great advice from your buddy. And that's great that it went the right way, right? So your buddy told you to put $200 into Turbo 6 months ago. Old I mean, to access KuCoin, if it's not allowed in your country, you would need a VPN. So that's probably the only way. James, best platform for safe meme trades. Go on my link tree. All the exchanges that I use are on there. So like MEXC, I think is a good one. There's MEXC. There's a bunch of other ones, and you can check it out on my link tree. He said Turbo to Sense, and he told me to buy FFIE. Never heard of that coin, FFIE. But yeah, I'm still holding a lot of coins. And to be honest, guys, these next coming weeks, right, weeks to months, is probably gonna be the last time to accumulate at these levels. Because like, if Bitcoin repeats history, we're going to see Bitcoin after the halving just go parabolic, right? I mean, what do you see here? Every halving, every vertical line, right? What do you see? Bitcoin just boom, right? Over here too, Bitcoin just go parabolic. So if we repeat history here for Bitcoin, eventually a couple months from now, we're gonna start to see it do something like that. Okay, so this is why I was saying that I would not be surprised if the all-time high is this year, but the fact that Bitcoin has been pulling back and kind of staying flat might prolong into sometime in 2025. So I'm happy for that, because that gives us more time to accumulate and to plan out when to take profits and all that. But what you got to understand, guys, is the bull market is going to be fast. Okay, it's going to be like a flip of a switch. It's not going to wait for you to buy meme coins, or it's not going to wait for you to buy altcoins at low prices. When it switches on, it's going to start to move. And like I keep saying, if there's one thing you can get from my live streams, it is to take profits during this bull market. When it's the most euphoric stage, when you feel euphoria in the air, that's the time to take profits. And I mean, like, get out fully out of the markets. You want to be out of the markets when there's euphoria, when Bitcoin's, well over 100K plus, when all coins are like up 10x, 50x, when there's a lot of euphoria and it feels like it's never going to stop going up. People are saying it's going to keep going up. They're giving you repetitive numbers. That's the time to take profits. And that's one thing that, if you can take out of this live stream, that's one thing that I would say to not forget. So yeah, but with that, I want to end it on a good note. To remember that But I'll be live streaming again tomorrow, guys. Today's my second day in a row, and tomorrow will be my third. So definitely like, follow, so you can catch my live stream tomorrow. Check out my latest video on Brett. And again, join my free Discord and Telegram, because I'm on there when I'm not live. So when I'm bored at work, when I'm not live streaming, I'm on there. And thank you, Rosa. Thank you so much. Thank you, Jerry. Thank you, Neff. Thank you, James. Thank you guys that all sent gifts. You guys are so nice. And I just want to say thank you guys again. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. And we'll see what's going on with the crypto markets tomorrow. So hopefully it's good. Love you guys so much. And good night, guys. Peace. What's up, guys, over on YouTube? Since you guys are on YouTube, you guys are special. I'll stay a little bit longer here for you guys over on YouTube. But let me know how you guys are doing tonight. What have you guys been up to? Let's take a look here. Kind of curious on Brett. Let me see how Brett's doing. On the daily. Yeah, Brett's kind of been going down, so that's good. That's good. Alright, guys. I'll be live again tomorrow, guys, for sure. Love you guys so much. I'll catch you guys tomorrow night. Hope you guys have a great day. Peace.